Roaring Rockets by Tony Mitton and Aunt Parker. Wow! Rockets have power. They rise and roar. This rocket's rating, ready to soar. Rockets carry astronauts with cool white suits, oxygen helmets, and gravity boots. The countdown is finishing. 3, 2, 1, action! Blast off! The journey's begun. Rockets have fuel in great big tanks. When they are empty, they drop away. Thanks. Up in space, you're really light, so astronauts need to buckle up tight. Rockets go far, through space they zoom, reaching as far as the big round moon. Down comes the lander with legs out ready and fiery boosters to hold it steady. Out come the astronauts to plant their flag and scoop up samples in their moon rock bag. Rockets explore, through space they roam, but when they're done, they head back home. Rockets re-enter in a fiery flash to land in the sea with a sizzling splash. The helicopter carries the brave crew away. 3 cheers for the astronauts. Hip, hip, hooray! For more great books, make sure you subscribe to our channel.